Wedding anniversaries remind couples of all the fantastic time they've had. Bing and Ray Ascalon celebrated their 52nd wedding anniversary. More than 52 years of togetherness filled with love, sharing, and trust. Their anniversary is a celebration of time passed together, but in truth, their love transcends time. The couple celebrated their anniversary with their loved ones and renewed their vows with each other. Living together for more than 50 years often comes with rough patches, but also lots of beautiful memories. They have changed over the years, but the sparkle in their eyes is as bright as ever, and their love for each other is even stronger.
God really chose you for me, no? Halin pang laan nga, hindi ka man nakakita na kami sa ilang garay. Kaya gila po to para nga kabunday sa pina, no? And then it was really meant kaya ikaw para sa ako. And then, all throughout, we also have our trials, however, na pag ano.
I'm very glad to have met my wife, Bing. One of the, she's my best friend. Best friend. Terrible.